I told you that you could build a profitable YouTube channel without ever recording your face? In a world where everyone is fighting for attention, automation and AI are the ultimate secret weapons. And today I'm giving you a complete roadmap. This is the YouTube Automation Starter Blueprint. This isn't just another tutorial, it's a step-by-step system. We start with choosing your niche, then crafting the perfect channel name and branding, all the way to optimizing your channel for the algorithm. The blueprint gives you the exact ChatGPT prompts to write viral scripts and create a compelling channel description. Then we dive into production, how to use AI like ElevenLabs for human-like voiceovers, and tools like Leonardo.ai and Hyper AI to create stunning visuals and animations, even if you've never edited a video before. Most people fail because they get stuck in scripting, in editing, in finding ideas. This blueprint eliminates the guesswork. It's designed for complete beginners to skip the 6 months of trial and error. This entire YouTube Automation Starter Blueprint is available right now. The link is in the very first line of the video description below. Stop wasting time piecing together information from free videos. Get the complete, structured plan. Click the link, get your copy, and start building your automated empire today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered strategies, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.